Good morning, children. So, we have done chapter number 5, and today we will be doing the exercises of chapter 5. We will start with take the correct answer. Number A, the mountain range that separates Europe from Asia is, the correct answer is option number 3, the Urals. Number B, the continent of North America is linked to South America by, answer is an isthmus. So the correct answer is Isthmus of Panama, which links North America to South America. Number C, the major constituent of atmosphere by percent is, the correct answer is nitrogen. So nitrogen is the major constituent of atmosphere. Next, the domain of Earth consisting of solid rocks is, the correct answer is lithosphere. And number E, which is the largest continent? So the answer is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Next, fill in the blanks. The deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. So here the correct answer is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest point on the earth and it is in Pacific Ocean. Number B, the dash ocean is named after a country. So the Indian Ocean is named after a country, India. Number C, the dash is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. So the correct answer is biosphere. Biosphere is the narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. Next, the continents of Europe and Asia together are known as Eurasia. So the answer is Eurasia. And lastly, the highest mountain peak on the earth is Mount Everest. Now next, children, we will move to the question answers. First question is, what are the four major domains of the earth? So children, the four major domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and lastly biosphere. Now moving on to question number B, name the major continents of the earth. So the major continents of the earth are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and lastly Australia. Then name the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. So the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere are Australia and Antarctica. Both these continents lie completely in the southern hemisphere. The next question, name the different layers of atmosphere. So the different layers of atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and lastly exosphere. So these are the 5 layers of atmosphere. Next children, why is the earth called the blue planet? The earth is called blue planet because more than 71% of the earth is covered with water and only 29% is with land. That is why earth is known as a blue planet. Then why is northern hemisphere called the land hemisphere? Answer will be the northern hemisphere is known as the land hemisphere because a greater part of the earth's land mass lies in the northern hemisphere. So since majority of the land mass lies in the northern hemisphere, that is why it is known as land hemisphere. Then why is the biosphere important for living organisms? So biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. It is of great significance for the living organisms because it is the only zone where all the living organisms such as plants, animals and birds can, as well as humans can exist. Okay, so children, with this we have completed chapter number 5. Please write down the question answers in your copies and short exercises you can write it down in the book itself. and please learn this chapter which will come for your periodic test too. Thank you children. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.